Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I'm going to be showing you how to extract audio from your video for free here in Windows 11. I've got a video clip here, and we're going to pull out the audio only into a new file if you just need the audio from a video. It's really quite simple to do with a built-in piece of software right here in Windows 11 called Clipchamp. Let's dive right into it. So let's open up Microsoft Clipchamp, head down to your Start menu, and you can scroll through all your programs here down to the letter M. And it's under Microsoft Clipchamp. You can go ahead and open that up. It does get installed by default here in Windows 11. If for some reason you don't have it, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store. So give this a second to load up. Now, once it's loaded up, we can start or create a new video project here at the top. It says create a new video, start from scratch. We'll just go ahead and left click on that. That'll open up a brand new project. Now, the first thing we need to do once this is loaded up is import our media over here on the left-hand side. There are a couple of different ways to do that. So we've got the import media option here. You can left click on that, and this will allow you to search your computer for the file. And mine's right here. I could click on that and then hit open here, and that would open it up. The other way is to just drag and drop it here into our project. So I can just grab it, hold down my left mouse button and drag it over and drop it into this area. So we'll let go, and it'll bring it into the project. We'll let that load up. There we go. So in here, we've got our preview window and we've got our timeline down here, and we need to bring our video into the timeline down here at the bottom. So again, a couple ways to do that. You can go to your video. There's a little plus sign right here. It says add to timeline. You can click that, or we can again drag and drop it. So hold down the left mouse button and drag it down into your timeline and just let it go. And you can see it shows up here in the preview, and we can hit the play button here to actually play through it. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you, or hit it to pause it again. We can also adjust it, so if we'd like to trim down the end, we can grab these handles and move them in and out to where we would like it to stop. And the same at the beginning, we can move this in at the beginning if we'd like it to start a little bit later. If you're going to do that though, it's going to create a gap at the beginning, so you would need to hit the little garbage can here to remove the gap. I'm not going to do that, so we're going to go right to the beginning like that. So once you've got it trimmed the way you like it, we just need to export the audio portion. So if you hit play here, you can preview it, make sure it's perfect. Then we'll go up to export here in the top right hand corner. You can left click on that. And in this area where it says quality, there's an option here that says more options, and you can select that and it'll expand it. Now we've got an option that says audio only the audio from your project. So we'll go ahead and make sure that is selected like that. We can name our project. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to say audio only. It's going to save it as an M4A file. I don't want to upload it to the cloud. You can if you're using OneDrive if you like. I'm going to turn that off. And then we're going to go ahead and hit export. And it's going to export that. It says your audio is ready. And we can save it to our computer here or save to Google Drive, etc. I'm going to go ahead and hit save to your computer. I want to save it on my desktop. Let save. And now if we go out, it should be here on my desktop. There it is, audio only. I'll hit play and make sure it's working. I'll listen to it with the media player. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to extract audio from your video for free here in Windows 11. Perfect, it seems to be working great, and really it's that simple to export audio from video here in Windows 11 for free using Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.